coming to the concept of a syllable. So, we discussed phonemes, the minimal unit in the sound system of a language. The next higher unit is syllable. Syllable refers to the maximum amount of sound that we can utter with one puff of breath. Okay, in connected speech we know these sounds are uttered as groups like words or sentences. So, we have to distinguish how much sound will be there in a can we utter with one puff of breath. So, syllable refers to the maximum sound that we can utter with one puff of breath. Certain words can be pronounced with one puff of breath. Such words we call monosyllabic. Monosyllabic, mono refers to one. Okay, a word which is having only one syllable. Words like I, high, sky, book, how. Okay, these words are uttered with one puff of breath. Okay, it is having only one syllable. In certain words there are two syllables. Okay, there are disyllabic words like rubber. Okay, rubber. So we cannot pronounce that sound with as one syllable. There are two syllables. Rubber. Okay, rubber, rubber, rubber. Then button, button, mutton, like that. So certain, and there are a lot of words which are polysyllabic, having many syllables. Now we will try to analyze syllables. We have three words: pronunciation, examination, understandably. So how this word is divided into syllables: pronunciation, examination, understandably. Okay. So when we analyze a syllable, so we have the one syllable here, pr. Okay, this is a consonant sound, this is again a consonant sound, and this is a vowel sound. Coming to another syllable, a consonant sound, a vowel sound, and a consonant sound. Here a consonant and a vowel sound. This is a diphthong sound, a vowel sound. Here a consonant sound, a vowel sound, again a consonant sound. Here a vowel sound and a consonant and a vowel sound, again a consonant and a vowel sound, a consonant, and this one is a diphthong, a vowel sound, consonant, vowel, and consonant sound. Again vowel sound, a consonant sound. So a consonant sound and a vowel sound, consonant sound, vowel sound, consonant, and a consonant. This is a vowel sound, this one a consonant, again a consonant, and a vowel sound. Okay. So if we analyze a syllable in detail, we will find that a syllable consists of a vowel sound or a diphthong sound and some consonants. Okay. So if we go to a syllable, we will find that there is a nucleus. Very often a vowel sound or a consonant constitute the nucleus of a syllable, and these consonants are marginal sounds. Okay. But there are certain situations in which a syllable is formed without a vowel sound, like rubber, not rubber. We'll go find the one. It is button. Okay, button. So we have two syllables here. So the first one, button, the second one, tin. So in the first one there is a consonant and a vowel. Coming to the second one, we have both consonant sounds. So there are certain situations where syllables are created even without vowels. So usually a syllable is constituted by a vowel sound or a diphthong sound, and this forms the nucleus of the syllable, and the remaining consonant sounds are the marginal elements. We will discuss some more technical terms associated with a syllable. Okay. If a syllable is starting with a consonant, such consonants are referred to as the releasing consonants or the onset. Okay. Onset or releasing consonant. If a syllable is ending with a consonant like this, it is called the coda or the arresting consonant. Okay, so the arresting consonant or coda. So if a syllable ends with a vowel like this one also, it is referred to as an open syllable, and if a syllable ends with a consonant like this, it is a closed syllable.